847 species in genus Erica. A world of tiny bells, my fascination with Erica. I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty of the natural world. Give me a quiet woodland path over a bustling city street any day. It's in those quiet spaces that I find the most captivating details, like the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing or the delicate bloom of a wildflower. Lately, I've been particularly fascinated by the Erica genus, a diverse group of plants that have captured my imagination with their understated elegance and surprising resilience. For those unfamiliar, Erica is a genus of flowering plants in the Ericaceae family, more commonly known as heaths or heathers. These plants are typically small shrubs with tiny, bell-shaped flowers that cluster together in a vibrant display of color. Imagine walking through a field of these delicate blooms, their colors ranging from soft pinks and purples to fiery reds and oranges. It's a sight that truly takes your breath away. A diverse and resilient genus. What truly amazes me about Erica is its sheer diversity. There are over 840 species of Erica found throughout Europe and South Africa, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some thrive in the harsh, arid conditions of the fynbos, while others prefer the cooler, damper climates of the Scottish Highlands. This adaptability is a testament to the resilience of these plants, their ability to flourish in even the most challenging environments. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While the beauty of Erica is undeniable, these plants offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They play a vital role in their respective ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a variety of insects and animals. Their flowers are a crucial source of nectar for bees, while their dense foliage offers protection for small mammals and birds. Erica also has a long history of human use. Traditionally, certain species have been used for medicinal purposes, while others have been utilized in the production of brooms and thatching. Even today, Erica plays an important role in the horticultural industry, with many species cultivated for their ornamental value. A personal connection. My own fascination with Erica began with a simple walk in the countryside. I stumbled upon a patch of blooming heather, its vibrant purple flowers contrasting beautifully against the green landscape. I was immediately captivated by its delicate beauty and the sense of tranquility it evoked. Since then, I've made it a point to learn more about this fascinating genus. I've spent hours poring over botanical guides, identifying different species and learning about their unique characteristics. I've even started my own small collection of Erica plants, carefully tending to them in my garden. For me, Erica represents the beauty and resilience of the natural world. These plants, with their delicate blooms and hardy nature, serve as a constant reminder of the wonders that can be found in even the most unexpected places. They are a testament to the power of adaptation and the enduring beauty of the natural world. I encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate the simple beauty of Erica. Whether you're exploring a wild heath or admiring a cultivated specimen in your garden, take the time to truly observe these fascinating plants. You might be surprised by what you discover.